Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we are going to talk about the Pikler Triangle, a unique and very stimulating toy that has become a favorite among children. The Pikler Triangle is a wooden platform in the shape of a triangle, which includes a balance beam, a ladder, and two side bars. This tool was designed by the Hungarian pediatrician Emmy Pikler in the 1930s to help children develop their motor skills and improve their coordination. Now, let's talk about the main benefits of the Pikler Triangle. First, the wooden platform is safe for children. The rounded edges prevent them from hurting themselves, while the balance beam helps them develop their coordination and balance. In addition, the Pikler Triangle develops children's creativity and imagination, as it offers them the freedom to explore and discover the limits of their body. It is advisable to provide the child with this toy from 6 months of age, since from this age, children begin to discover the world around them and develop their motor skills. The Pikler Triangle must be used under the supervision of parents, so that children do not get hurt. And it is recommended to use it until the age of 4 or 5, when children are already beginning to develop their coordination and balance skills. There are many types of Pikler Triangle, from the simplest to the most complex. For children 6 months to 2 years, the simpler Pikler Triangles are ideal. These include the Pikler Triangle for balance, the Pikler Triangle for climbing, and the Pikler Triangle for learning. These toys offer the child the freedom to explore and discover the world, while developing their motor skills and coordination. Now, let's talk about the difference between the Pikler Triangle, the Learning Triangle, and the Climbing Triangle. The Pikler Triangle is a wooden platform in the shape of a triangle, which includes a balance beam, a ladder, and two side bars. This tool was designed to help children develop their motor skills and improve their coordination. The Learning Triangle is a wooden platform in the shape of a triangle, which includes a balance beam, a ladder, and a swing net. This tool was designed to help children develop their cognitive skills and improve their coordination. Finally, the Climbing Triangle is a wooden platform in the shape of a triangle, which includes a balance beam, a ladder, and a climbing net. This tool was designed to help children develop their motor skills and improve their coordination. Lastly, we are going to talk about how to use the Triangle Pikler. First, make sure the platform is safe for the child to use. Then, help the child to enter the Pikler Triangle and explain to him what he can do with it. Finally, advise the child to explore the Pikler Triangle from different angles and enjoy their playtime. In terms of feedback, the Pikler Triangle has garnered excellent reviews from parents and early childhood professionals. Many parents have reported that the Pikler Triangle has helped their children develop their motor skills, coordination and balance, and explore the world safely. Early childhood professionals have also recommended the Pikler Triangle as a useful tool to develop children's creativity and imagination. We hope this video has helped you better understand the Pikler Triangle, its benefits, and how to use it correctly. Thanks for watching the video.